Fáilte Garja, my name is Mr. O'Sullivan. Rialacha na Scoile Gnáth. Láháin bhí tionól Scoile. One day there was an assembly at school. Bhínig an príomhaide na Rialacha Scoile. The principal explained the school rules. Bhí cosc alcohol agus drugaí. There was a ban on alcohol and drugs. Bhí na daltaí ag imeart pelle agus ag caint Scoile. The students were playing football and talking at school. Go tobann, thosaigh na daltaí ag trid. Suddenly, the students started fighting. Thosaigh na daltaí ag cabh tobacco. The students started smoking. Bhí farag an domhan na múntóirí. The world of anger was upon the teachers. Bhínig na múntóirí na Rialacha Scoile. The teachers explained the school rules. Bhínig na múntóirí go raibh tobacco don séireach. The teachers explained that tobacco is dangerous. Chur an príomhaide glé na tuismitheoirí. The principal rang the parents. Bhí farag an domhan na tuismitheoirí. The world of anger was upon the parents. Bhí cruinniú leis an bríomhaide maidin. There was a meeting with the principal in the morning. Chuaigh na daltaí agus na tuismitheoirí go dtí ifig an phríomhaide. The students and the parents went to the principal's office. Labhair an príomhaide leis na daltaí. The principal spoke with the students. Bhí brón an domhan na daltaí. The world of sadness was upon the students. D'bhain na daltaí tar éis scoile. The students stayed after school. D'bhain na daltaí 2 uair. The students stayed 2 hours. Níor bhris na daltaí na Rialacha arís. The students did not break the rules again. Ceistena. Cé bhí duine atá sa pictiúir seo? How many people are in this picture? Cén tá mé sa pictiúir seo? What time is it in this picture? Cá raibh na daoine sa pictiúir seo? Where were the people in this picture? Sonliv.